Rub these 2 oils on your gums and teeth and you probably will not need to go to dentist again. Essential oils are widely used in aromatherapy and various traditional medicinal systems. They are packed with a large number of health benefits. What you probably didn't know is that various essential oils are extremely beneficial for the teeth and gums. According to the Journal of International Oral Health, essential oils can inhibit plaque, remove stains, eliminate the bacteria, and keep the teeth and gums healthy. So, 2 of the most powerful essential oils are tea tree oil and clove oil. Tea tree oil. The tea tree oil is packed with antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral and antiprotozoal properties. Therefore, this essential oil reduces bacterial load and yeast and fungal infections and relieves the symptoms of gingivitis. Moreover, it eliminates bad breath and maintains the oral health. Clove oil. Clove oil contains eugenol, which is used for its anesthetic and analgesic action in dentistry. This compound has the ability to exhibit pharmacological effects on almost all systems in the body. Moreover, this essential oil provides antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which only maximize its benefits for the oral health. Now when you know why these 2 essential oils are beneficial for the oral health, you should also learn how to use them. Thus, we decided to show you a simple and effective method, which should be part of your daily routine. Clove and tea tree oil solution. You should use these 2 oils to rub your teeth every day. Therefore, in order to use this solution, you should combine 2 drops of these oils with a carrier oil like coconut oil. Use the solution to rub your teeth twice a day. Using this solution will keep your oral health and prevent cavities, gingivitis, bad breath, and tooth decay. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.